Creative professionals have a new reason to stare at their desks all day, even if the view comes with a $3,299 price tag. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Apple's 27-inch 5K Studio Display XDR is a powerhouse aimed at video editors and designers who need perfection. While that price seems steep, it's actually a bargain compared to the older 6K Pro Display XDR. This new screen uses mini LED technology to deliver a level of brightness and color accuracy that puts most other monitors to shame. The display is more than just a pretty face. It's practically a computer itself. Tucked inside is an A19 Pro processor and a massive 12 GB of RAM. This internal muscle handles complex tasks like dimming algorithms and image processing. It also powers a much improved 12 megapixel camera that keeps the user centered during video calls. While the bezels are a bit thick at nearly an inch, the sleek aluminum body and smooth adjustable stand make up for the bulk. Where this monitor truly wins is the image quality. With over 2,000 local dimming zones, it achieves a constant contrast ratio of 1,000,000 to 1. It hits a staggering peak brightness of 2,000 nits, making it the brightest monitor ever tested by the reviewer. Colors are equally impressive, offering a billion different shades and nearly perfect accuracy right out of the box. It even supports a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes motion look fluid and reduces eye strain. The Studio Display XDR isn't for everyone, especially those who want a screen larger than 27 inches or a cheaper price tag. However, for those who live in the world of high-end Mac production, it offers a unique mix of power and precision. It's a device that justifies its cost by making a pro's difficult job just a little bit easier. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.